Yep. Seth Rollins, official heel time. You guy right here. Seth, is this how it's gonna play out, huh? Is this how it's gonna go? I see you, bro. I'm gonna take over the company. It's moving mad. He's sneaking his friends. This is the ultimatum he gave to Sami Zayn. Remember at the beginning of the show, he said, Sami, there's a way out for you. Go to SmackDown. Go chase the title. I'll give you the opportunity. Paul Heyman will sort it out for you. He didn't want to take the offer. He said, I don't run. Sami Zayn said, I don't do the running thing. And Seth Rollins said, okay, if this is how you want to play things, my friend, I'm going to have to take you out. Because at the end of the day, you're in my way. This storyline's got a lot of potential right now.